Welcome to Woodpecker Hall Academy. Let's go inside and take a look around.
Here, pupils are given the opportunity to experience different genres of books to help develop a love of reading.
Now we take a peek into the beehive. This is where a group of selected Key Stage 1 pupils spend their afternoon to develop skills to make them better learners.
Meet Bella and Teddy, our school therapy dogs. We can visit them to help us thrive through the day.
A great way to start the day with a Viscouoy story.
This is a sensory room. Children come here to help regulate their senses in calming, safe and stimulating environment.
Some children need more opportunity to move and climb. They can come here for a movement break and develop skills such as balance, coordination and spatial awareness.
The soft play enables children to express themselves through play.
Children start their day with a nutritious meal that will improve their focus to concentrate in the classroom.
This is just one of our playgrounds. During playtime and lunch, children can use their imagination to play and socialise. Also, it is an amazing place for PE.
This is drawing class, a specialised classroom that provides tailored learning. More adult support allows the children to progress.
The zones of regulation allow children to express their feelings, whether it be sad, happy, frustrated or angry. A woodpecker child does the right thing because it's the right thing to do.
The children that come here are given the chance to have homework support as well as make friends in a relaxed and social environment.
These are the school's use of transport in order to take the children safely during their trip times.